Hello guys, this is Latvian Daytrader, and first of all, sorry that I didn't post for about 2 to 3 weeks, but I was in a field and I actually did trade in a field, but my trades were very emotional, and most of my trades days were red days, and substantial red days, so I'm actually changing my strategy. I will not buy first candle to make new high anymore because it just isn't working for me. I don't know why, but maybe it's because of market. Maybe this market is about bearish at this year, I think, or for me, or it's just for me. So yeah, we will take a look at yesterday's trades as well as today's trades. So yesterday I was watching SNES or gap and go strategy. I'm actually my strategy now involves buying the dips. When the market opens, it as I have seen, it usually dips down and then it pops up. So at the moment I'm looking for obvious resistance lines and such a thing. So yeah, I'm I'm starting to really draw the trend lines, the upsending, descending, and support and resistant lines. So let's see what happens. So I mark out my resistances from our daily chart or yesterday's 5-minute charts. Yeah, my first entry would be at 162. If it opens and it breaks down, as you can see, I don't know why that happened. What is this? But yeah. So 61 was my entry right here. My stop is at 50. So that's my mental stop. I'm using mental stops right now. So I see at the moment a bigger buyers. So it's starting to go up. So buying the dip, selling the rip. I think it sounds pretty good. So I'm scaling out while selling 75%, and I think when I saw the big selling occurring, then I just jumped out. Oh no, I didn't. So I am trying to sell into the strength, and it did work out. So yeah, that's the first trade. So I see this NNDM, it's making a really big move. So this strategy, I don't have really much time to draw support resistance lines. So I am buying the dip because it's really working out for me for right now. And you will see in this trade I didn't hold that long as I should. So let's see where I will buy it. I think I wanted to buy at 275 something. I want to buy the low of this candle while it haven't closed yet. Basically that's the thing. Let's see. So the next candle opens, it dips down, it dips like a 270, and I wanted to buy 275. Well, the perfect timing would be at the 270, but 275 is still good. So I am watching. One of my big problems is I'm watching my unrealized profits here and here. I am concentrating on dollars, not on the actual bid and asks. So that's one thing I need to adapt while trading overall, or is this strategy or the new high strategy or whatever strategy it may be. So you will see that I didn't like that it wasn't popping back up. So I did get out at break even, I think. And as I do drop out at a break even, we'll see that when I do that. So yeah, I basically don't like how it's not going anywhere. So any moment now, yeah, here I jumped out, break even. And as second I did that, look what happened. I think that new candle, oh no, it's not opened yet, but it opened like 10 seconds ago. So look what happened as I jumped out. Look at this. Look at this. So I was in 277, now it's 295. I was only 300 shares, but that's 18 cents. So yeah, that's plenty. That's $50. I was like, Jesus Christ. Yeah, but I learned from these mistakes. So next trade. Let's find out where it is. So here, this is the obvious or breakout point to the downside, but that's for me, for my new adaptive strategy, that's a buy point. I'll buy at this. So if it breaks, I will lose only. My stop will be tight as well. Oh no, I actually didn't buy as low as I thought I would. So this didn't work out for me. So it just stopped me out. Yeah, and this is a place where I should buy it. I think I will buy it right here next time. So if I would buy it at 271, 270, let's see what would happen quite a bit later. So 278 was my initial new entry. So if I would wait until it does this false breakdown, not breakout, so this is the spot I want to buy in. So if I would buy at 271, we'll see what will happen. 295, 290. Again, it's 13 cents on 500 shares. So as I was stopped out previously on a false breakout, so that's a big lesson for me. I will really, now my strategy is buy false breakdowns. I can call it, right? Yeah, buy false breakdowns because the market isn't working for me when I'm trying to buy new breakouts. So I ended up in a green. Yeah, I ended up in a green on that day. It's not a big green day, but it could be a much better green day. It could be. So let's go over my next today's trades. So let's see. So I was watching the field here. So as you can see, I am really working on my resistance lines and all this crap. So this is the place where ascending support is. So this is the place I wanted to buy, and I did. Happy. So yeah, 213 because the bid is 212, so it's good. 213, buying the dip. As you can see, I was up like $100, but again, I watched at this for start. I look at this for start, and then I look back. So yeah, you see the spread is like 30 cents, so I was up quite substantially, like 1 cent. This is the place I needed to sell, but I didn't. I did sell lower, but it was a good first trade. So by this strategy, you can really trade these volatile stocks. As you can see, here is my uh, resistance lines on the daily chart. So this really worked out. It topped my resistance line and it pulled back. So yeah. So you probably saw the 96 here. Any moment. Yeah. So yeah, here. Okay, whatever. Yeah, here. D72, but the spread is 6 cents. So that's why I was checking my fills. I was like, what? Why did I get only $56 when it showed 96? So yeah, I checked my fill. Oh, where the second trade? Today I finished red. I did. So what happened here? So 220 was my 220 was my first thought, my entry, but I saw this big selling, so I waited to see some a bit greenish. I think right around here I will jump in. No, not yet. Oh no, I did. This 220 was my fill. See what happened here. I think I lost this trade. 220. Top was like 5 cents. Yeah, 5 cents. So I stopped and I stopped out. So the next retest of the ascending. So when it taps, I will buy it. I will try to buy it. I did well. Good fill. 209 is my entry. The big selling happening, but my stop is at, I think, mental stop for right now. The 205 or something. 209 here, 209 by 208, 210, 212, 3 cents, not much. I think this was 13, that's 4 cents. Really should sell. And so yeah, here again something wrong was happening with the broker, the anti-stock trader, so I couldn't cancel these orders, so I'm afraid that these will go off like today. So 217, that's good, and I was out 214, I think, and boom, I'm out. So back in a nice green. So I think I took 5 trades. So here I could really manage my risk better. But something that happened. Oh, in here I was seeing this nice break of the previous high, so I did adapt my old strategy, and again it didn't work out for me. It stopped me out. Just like a kick with a boot in my face when I say I will not use this strategy, but I am doing that anyways. And the last trade was same. I adapted my old strategy. So here you can see the nice flaggish pattern. So I think 212. I wanted to buy in when I thought it will break this flag pattern. So it could probably go up a bit, but it did broke out in here. So my stop was at 205, 4 cents, but I think it froze for a bit. And I did jump out at 203, minus 32 in the day. So yeah, my new strategy is, for now, it's working for me. That's the way, that is the thing I will tackle the markets. Yeah, let's hope that tomorrow, I think tomorrow I will not trade because I'm driving out by the sea. I got some training to do. So yeah, let's see you next time.